What's up, guys? Today I am going to show you how to make a simple head. So let's get right to it. So these are the colors that we're going to be needing for today, and I'm going to have them across the screen so you can see the colors. And right here, these are the basic colors. I might add some other colors, I don't know yet, but for now let's stick with these four. So the three main tools that I'm going to be using is a scalpel. To be honest, I don't really know the names of these, but this one is to make the detail. The other one was for cutting straight pieces with clay. So first we're going to start off with just a simple ball of clay, which is the skin color. Right here I'm making the head, and you've probably seen this in drawings, but it's technically to show where the nose is going to be, where the eye is going to be, and where the mouth is going to be. So like right here I already added the nose, and right here I'm just drilling in the eyes by using the scalpel. Once we're done with that, I'm going to make the two nostrils on the nose. All you have to do is just, I guess, use your nail and flatten it on the bottom, and then you can start adding the detail on the side. And then once you're done with that, I didn't do it yet, but you could add the nostril holes. Right here is when I start doing the mouth, and I do the same kind of shape that I did with the beginning of the face, but this time it's on the mouth. So right here I'm just cutting out the smile, because this guy is gonna have a smile. Now I'm gonna be using a little bit of white for the eyeballs. Right here, all you have to do is get a ball of clay and cut it in half and just start shaping the shape of the eye. And the reason why I got the green was for the color of the eye. But then later on I'm gonna add a pupil in the middle, which is right here, it's brown. And then I'm just adding a little glare on the eyes. Now all I have to do is connect it to the face. And I'm out. So as you saw right now, I was trying to work on the eyelids and it didn't really work out, so I did it again, and this time it looked better, except when I added the wrinkles for the eyelids, it made him look older, which I didn't want. So I just fixed it. And then now right here I am adding the eyebrow. After I'm done with that, I am going to be making the ears. And I know that I didn't post this weekend, but it's because I just didn't have any videos planned and I was still trying to figure out on a creation that I can make. But either way, later on this week, I'm actually going to have to post, hopefully on Friday, and it's going to be a clay sculpture that you might know. But anyways, just adding the hair right away, and it made him look way younger, and this is literally what I wanted. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time on Claycraft Nation.